In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image full width in Elementor. We'll walk through this step by step, so even if you're new to WordPress or Elementor, you'll be able to follow along easily. The goal here is to take an image that's sitting in your layout and stretch it so it spans the entire width of its container, giving your page a cleaner, more modern look. First, go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Find the Elementor option in that menu. Hover your mouse over it, and from the sub-menu that appears, choose the editor option. This will open up the Elementor dashboard inside WordPress, where you can work visually on your site. At the top right of this Elementor area, click on Edit Site. This takes you into the main editing environment where you can make changes to your pages and templates. Give it a moment to load. Once it's ready, you'll see your site layout in the center and the Elementor panel on the left. Now, inside the editor, locate the specific image you want to make full width. Move your mouse over that image and click it. As soon as you select the image widget, its settings will appear in the left sidebar. This is where you control all the details for that element. In the left sidebar, look for the tabs at the top of the widget settings. Click on the Style tab. This is where you'll find how the image looks, its size, alignment, and other visual options. Within the Style tab, scroll until you find the width settings. By default, this might be set to something like a specific pixel value, or it might be on the default setting. Change the width to 100%. This tells Elementor that the image should take up the full available width of its container. After you do this, you should immediately see the image expand in the preview area so that it stretches from one side of the section to the other. Once you're happy with how it looks, don't forget to save your changes. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click Update or Publish if this is a new page or template. Wait for Elementor to confirm that the changes have been saved, and you're done.